Hello beautifuls, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to give you guys my nighttime skincare routine. First thing is I start with my panoxyl acne foaming wash for face and body with 10% benzoyl peroxide. I wash my face with this for about a minute, and I like to let it sit there for a minute, and then I rinse it off after. I kind of like use this as a mask, if you will, if that helps you like understand better. I then go in with these travel size disposable washcloths. I got them off Amazon. I think it was like $10 for like 100 piece or 100 count. And I use these one time and I throw them away. They help prevent bacteria because it's clean and it's never been used. So I just use it one time, throw it away, and you'll see me using another one after the next step because, like I said, I only use it once. I then go in with my laroche posay purifying foaming cleanser for normal to oily skin. It creates a great lather, as you can see right here, and I love that about this cleanser. And I wash my face with this for about a minute, and then I rinse this off as well. Next, I pat dry my face with a dry paper towel. Pat dry. Don't want to do too much scrubbing on your face and mess up your skin barrier. I then go in with my triacid toner by In the Know. It includes salicylic acid, lactic acid, gluconolactone acid. I know I'm not saying that right. And niacinamide. This is specifically to be used at night. So use it at night, which is why it's in my nighttime skincare routine. It does have a pump, and you just pump it and sweep it across the face. Next, I go in with my Urban Skin RX Even Tone Super Glow Serum. This has 10% L-ascorbic acid and kojic acid. This right here gives you the glow you need, honey, okay? The best thing I have used for a glow, and the best thing I've been using to even up my skin tone, because I have a lot of hyperpigmentation. You can't really tell in this video, but I have a lot of hyperpigmentation because it's actually gotten better since using this product or incorporating this product into my skincare routine. I'm gonna go in with my bio oil. This is absolutely not necessary, but I use this mainly to get rid of that smell from the last product. Now, the last product, it's great, but it does have a smell I just cannot stand. So the smell of the bio oil kind of just helps me just, you know, be able to deal with it a whole lot better. So you don't have to do this, but I do include it. Finally, I go in with my Vani cream, moisturizing cream. This is the best moisturizer I have ever used. I don't know why I wasn't using it before, but I am using it now. It is the best thing ever. Extremely moisturizing and very affordable for the amount you get. Like, I'm only halfway through that bottle, and that bottle cost me like $10, and I've had it for like at least 6 months. So a little bit goes a long way with this product, and it's very, very affordable. Now for my lips, I do go in with my lip scrub by the brand Eco Lips in the scent Raspberry Lemon. This scrub is okay. It is a sugar scrub, but it's all right. It's not the greatest thing in the world, but it's not the worst. So do with that what you will. Now I'm going to go in with the Eco Lips lip mask in the scent Sweet Orange. Now this is the best thing I have ever used. I never knew I needed a lip mask until I started using this. The moisture this mask gives my lips, amazing. So do with that information what you will. And that's it for my nighttime skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below of your favorite skincare products and what your routine is through the night. And like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.